beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple way with some simple and natural homemade remedy that will actually help you to get rid of skin tag, skin wax, and skin mole. Okay, you know, these things are actually natural, so you have to follow them step by step, just the way I'm going to be showing you. It's actually very effective. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. And now let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, so to get rid of skin tag, you're gonna be needing to use lemon. Okay guys, so in this part of Africa, our lemons are usually green. Okay, before it turns lemon color, it has to be green. So that's how we get it. We buy it green, just like it looks right now. So this is lemon and not lime. Okay, so in this particular one, I'm gonna be needing just the lemon zest. The lemon zest is the back of the lemon. Okay, for this skin tag remedy, the lemon zest contains acidic property that will help to kill any skin tag, wax, or mole. So let's make use of this. Okay, so this is how we're going to be preparing it. Okay, to get the lemon zest, you would have to grate this lemon. Is actually difficult. Okay, it's actually like strong. Yeah, not like difficult, it's strong, so you would have to grate it. Yeah, and get the zest. So here we have the lemon zest. This quantity is perfect. Okay guys, so the next ingredient is toothpaste. Okay, so you actually need this, the minty flavor in it, and the ingredients, it contains mint. Okay, which I actually didn't see in the market to buy. So if you can reach out for mint leaf, you can use it and skip toothpaste. Okay, or skip Colgate. But if you can't reach out for mint leaf, which I can't get in my locality right now, you can use Colgate toothpaste. Okay, so how you're going to do this is that you're going to press in the Colgate into this lemon zest. Yeah, after doing that, then you give it a good stir. Give it a good stir. Okay, so this is actually how it's going to be looking like. Now after you've mixed it all up, you would have to keep this ingredient for like 1 hour or 2. Yeah, you keep it aside, and then you cover it with a nylon bag. Yeah, keep it, let it induce together for 1 hour or 2. Then after that, then you can use it this way. Let me show you how you're going to be using it. Okay, there's another method to this, but I'm going to be showing you this particular one first. Okay, and then you're going to spread the cotton wool, and then you're going to grab this lemon zest and toothpaste remedy into the cotton wool, and then you put it on the affected area where you have the skin tag. This way. This lemon zest and toothpaste is actually gummy, So you can just put it and then you leave it this way, and you just use you use a plaster to plaster it. Okay, so you repeat it in another place, that if you have more than one skin tag. Okay, so you would have to apply it on the affected area. Okay, just like that, and then you just cut your plaster in smaller pieces, and then you would use that to apply it. Okay, so it's actually as simple as that. Now, even if you don't want to use the cotton wool, you can actually just use this way. Okay, which is kind of simple, but of course I would recommend you use the cotton wool because it's going to make it stay long, because you're going to put plaster over this. Yeah, that is why you need to use the cotton wool. But if you can't, you can still apply it this way. Okay, this way, but you still have to apply plaster. You know, when you apply plaster, the ingredients will just leave the skin and stay on the plaster. That's why you need to use cotton wool, so that it will be strong and firm. So for this particular ingredient, you know, the skin tag, what we're aiming at is for the skin tag to die and then fall off. So you would have to repeat this treatment 3 days. Yeah, but you would have to let it sit on your skin for like 3-4 hours each time you apply it. Okay, so the second method, you're going to be making use of baking soda. Yeah, baking soda is a great scrub. It works in healing many problems on the skin. Basically, it's a #1 remedy for the skin. Okay, so this is how you're going to be using it. Okay, you're going to be grabbing a bowl. It helps to remove skin tag. It works in scrubbing out stretch mark also. Okay, if you have skin mold, it's going to help also in getting rid of it. So you have to take about 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon, depending on how much or how little you want it. Okay, so you would make sure to press it, because in some baking soda you tend to see some lumps in it. Okay, so you don't need the lumps, so you have to press it down. Yeah, so the next one you're going to be needing is apple cider vinegar. Now the apple cider vinegar, it has to be the one with the mother in it. Yeah, okay, it has to be raw and unfiltered, because it works so well. It helps to smoothen out the skin. It helps to kill skin tag. Okay, so what you do is that you shake it very, very well, and then it mixes. Yeah, when it mixes this way, then you would have to put it into your baking soda. Now you're putting the quantity that will not make this mix too liquid, neither too solid, because it has to be something that is friendly to apply on your skin. Yeah, so I'm actually putting just a little of that, and this is perfect. Okay, so you stir it all up, and this is it. Just 2 ingredients in this, and it is fine. So after that, then you can grab your castor oil. Now the reason why it has to be castor oil is because castor oil is actually very, very thick among the oil. Now this is so that it won't have to burn your skin when you apply just this for a whole number of time. Okay, so in case you have the skin tag here, what you do is that you apply this castor oil around that place. Yeah, okay, or you can actually even decide to rub the castor oil everywhere like that. Okay, but I would recommend you just rub it around the place in which you have the skin tag or what, like that. So after which, then you can take your ingredients and put it on the spot where you have the skin tag, just like that. On that spot where you have the skin tag, you sit it there. It stays there. Okay, now for this to remain on your skin, you have to grab a cotton wool, and then take a little of the cotton wool, and then you would apply it onto the above it, okay, just like that. And it stays, okay, because there's an oil on the skin, so it's going to make it stay. Okay, so this particular one, you can actually apply it in the day, but if you must apply this in the night, then you have to put a plaster on it so that it does not fall off. Okay, basically if you're using it in the day, you just put it like this and then you leave it and it stays. The oil is going to make it stay really fine, so just like this is fine. Okay, now this treatment, apply it for 3 days. All of your skin tag will be gone, guys. It will fall off. Now if you have small particles of skin tag, then you can rub it this way around. Small ones, those small skin tag, you can rub it like this. Okay, now for this particular one, since you're actually applying it on the affected area only, you can leave it on for like 3-4 hours or 5 hours, and then let it work in that skin tag and remove all of and kill it up, okay, so that it will fall on time. But for this particular one that you're rubbing on that part, it has to be extended up to 5 days, because you don't need to hold it for too long, because baking soda and apple cider vinegar, it's perfect when you use it on the skin for a short period of time. Okay, so you wash it off maybe after 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but for this one, you can, since you're actually applying it on that part, you leave it on for so long. For this particular one, 3 days only, it is gone. For this one, you can extend it to 5 days and your skin tag, skin wax and mole will fall off. Trust me, go try this out and let me know. Just do it the way I've just showed you, in the step that I've just showed you. And sometimes in some kind of skin tag, that if your skin tag is actually big, it's going to take like 3 days for it to fall. But if it's just a very tiny skin tag, it might even fall the first day or the second day. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye, guys. Mwah.